Hey, it's Paul back at the iCafe Studio. I want to talk to you a little bit about OneDrive and the option to share. If you want to create a new file and have the ability to share it with other people, cloud storage is the best way for you to do it, and you can do it quite easily through your Office 365 account. Let's take a look at my computer. As you can see, I'm already logged into my email, into Outlook and Office 365. I'm going to use the app launcher up in the top left-hand corner and click on it to find some more options. If I wanted to share a Word document, I could just click on Word here, but it doesn't give me all of the abilities I may want. So I think your best bet is to click on the OneDrive button. As OneDrive opens, you're going to see I have a list of a bunch of folders and files that I've already created and have uploaded onto OneDrive. This is where you want to have your ability to have some control. If I wanted to create a new file in a folder, I can always click open my folder and create it there. Okay. In this case, I'm just going to create a new Word document. So in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click on New, and I have all these options of what I can do. I can create a new folder, or I have the different ones as well. I'm going to choose Word document to start with, and it's going to open in the web browser to the Word Online. Now there are a couple differences. What I love about Word Online is the fact that you can do this from any computer that you get to as long as it has internet access. It does not even need to have Word installed on the computer. It can be straight from there. And so we're going to do some editing right here. I'm going to type this is a file, and as you can see up on top right here, it is saying that it's saving. There is no save option. I also have the ability right here to change my name. So I'm going to rename the file to One File, and it will automatically make that adjustment as well, and you can see that now everything is saved. It saves as you go along. To share, I have the little share button up here in the top right hand corner, and so I'm going to click on that. There are a couple of different options that you can do. You can just choose to get a link, which you see on the left hand side here, and what this does is it will let you share with a group of people whether they are in the district or not in the district. So right now I have the option to where they would edit and have no sign in. But you have options with the drop down. You could have it so it's a view only document. You could push them to sign in if you want to. If you push them to sign in, that way you know who has had access and who has been making changes. Once I determine which one makes the most sense for me, it gives me a link right here, and I can click on the link and copy it, and then I can paste it into an email or do whatever I need to at that point. The other option I have is the invite people option at the top. This will only work for people that are within our district. After I choose to invite people, I can search for them by their email address, and hopefully they'll show up when you're ready to go. And I can add a series of people. I'll add Jennifer and Chelsea to this one. You can see by default it gives them the right to edit the document. I can choose to have them edit or just have view rights, and that's it. I can also choose whether I want them to require to sign in or not by checking or unchecking this box. It by default does do to require them to sign in. The Show Options button on the bottom, by default it will send an email to the people that you share with to let them know that you have shared it with them. I will leave that checked, and I will click Share, and they will receive an email, and I will receive an email as well letting them know that I've shared a document with them. If I ever need to alter any of those settings, I can go back into the Share, and I can add and remove people. I can do all the things like that. That's it. This is Paul, the iCafe Studio. Have a great day.